Good morning, dear students of class 7. Yesterday we were studying English literature chapter number 3. Mirza Bhanot, the mortal becomes immortal. Today we will continue the same chapter. Yesterday we studied about Mirza Bhanot. This is a real story. Mirza Bhanot was a brave and courageous girl of our country. She has become immortal in the hearts of millions of people due to her brave and courageous actions she had shown while fighting against the terrorists. We studied that after the marriage, she went to live with her husband in Dubai. But her husband tortured her there so much for dowry, so she returned here India, started living in Mumbai with her parents. After that, she started her career as a model. Then after some time, she became an air hostess in the Pan Am American Airlines. And plane hijacking incident occurred at Karachi. The plane took off from Mumbai airport and it was going to America. Early morning at 5 a.m. in the morning, the plane reached at Karachi in Pakistan. From there, the plane was to go to America. The plane was about to take off. Just at the moment, 4 terrorists entered the plane. Mirza Bhanot realized that during this tough time, how she will face those terrorists. She had got training during tough time how to deal with. So when the 4 terrorists entered the plane, with the help of her other air hostess, Mirza Bhanot in secret language gave information to the pilot, co-pilot, engineer in the cockpit, but they all were selfish. Secretly, they all came out of the plane, leaving all the passengers at the mercy of the heartless terrorists. Pilot, co-pilot, engineers came out of the plane secretly. Now Mirza Bhanot understood that she has to take charge. She has to deal with those criminals, those terrorists. Plane was hijacked. Mirza Bhanot realized that those terrorists wanted to kill all the American passengers. There were 360 passengers and 13 cabin crew, air hostess and other persons, 13 cabin crew and 360 passengers. Mirza Bhanot was a great, brave and courageous lady of India. Then the terrorists instructed Mirza Bhanot to demand the passports of all the passengers, and she understood that the criminals wanted to kill all the American passengers. So with the help of her other colleagues, other air hostess, she hid the passports of all the American passengers. This way she proved herself responsible for the safety of all those passengers This way, about 17 hours passed. During this period, Nirja Bhanot tried to entertain, tried to make happy, comfort, give joy to all the passengers so that they should not fear. This way 17 hours passed. From early 5 am in the morning, 17 hours passed. Now the terrorist became so angry. Terrorist became restless and angry. It has become now dark. And the electricity system had also failed. So it was dark in the plane. Terrorists thought that passengers would run away. Terrorists thought now that passengers would run away from the plane. So blindly they started firing. Blindly they started firing in the plane, set up explosives. When Nirja Bhanot saw that the terrorists were not looking at her, their attention were diverted, she quickly went to the emergency door and opened the emergency door, and through their sliding passage, the passengers started sliding out of the plane through the emergency door. She did all these things without caring for her own life. She wanted to save all the passengers. And really she proved herself most courageous, brave. And just then the terrorists saw that she is helping the passengers come out of the plane. The terrorists started firing many bullets. Nirja Bhanot tried to save 3 children. When she was 3 children would have died, killed by the terrorist, but she came. She protected. She hid behind all the 3 children herself and received all the bullets. Received many bullets on her body. Many bullets from the terrorist on her body, and she fell down and died. This is the story of that great lady of our country. Really, she proved herself a true soldier, and died a martyr's death, sacrificed her life and became a great martyr, patriot of our country. After her death, all over the world, she was praised for her bravery and heroism. All over the world, many countries awarded her after her death. Now she has become immortal in the hearts of millions and billions of people all over the world. Pan American Airlines said about her that at that difficult conditions, most toughest time, Nirja Bhanot's heart felt that she must take responsibility to save all those passengers in the airlines. She took charge, played the role of a leader and soldier, and saved the lives of those passengers in the plane. And due to her heroic actions, bravery and heroism, she was able to save those passengers, innocent passengers. After that, from many countries, she got many awards. In our country, India. In India, she got the Ashok Chakra Award. This award was given to her. She was the youngest receiver of this award. Ashok Chakra Award is the most prestigious bravery award it is given to the brave persons who shows their bravery and courage not during battle time or war time, during peace time. During peace time, the persons who shows their bravery and courage, to those persons Ashok Chakra award is given. So she was given Ashok Chakra award and she became the youngest person to receive this award. And in a statement at the time of giving Ashok Chakra award, in a statement it was written, it was said, she had shown her loyalty and sincerity during tough time, difficult times, and for her bravery and loyalty that she showed, that was the quality of human quality, human nature. This nature will always be remembered with respect. This nature of hers which she showed will always be remembered by billions of people forever, for always, for all time. Then a magazine, Weekend Review. The Weekend Reviews magazine wrote in its news that she was brave in life, brave in death. It means that when she was alive, she showed her bravery and courage, and after her death also, people all over the world talk about her, discuss about her bravery. So after death and in life, when she was alive, she is famous as a brave girl. And she became the only stewardess, only hostess who has, during plane hijack, she was the only Indian, or all over the country, anywhere the country, she was the only steward who took command, who took so big responsibility and saved the lives of innocent persons and dealt with those attackers, hijackers, kidnappers. After her death, she was given many awards. In 2004, our Indian Postal Service released a stamp in her memory. From Pakistan also, because in Pakistan it was hijacked, the plane. From Pakistan she was given the award Tag-e-Insaniyat. Again from USA she got Flight Safety Foundation Heroism Award. Justice for Crimes Award from Colombia. Again US government gave her a Special Courage Award. And from India, Indian Civil Aviation Ministry Award. This way, so many awards she got after her death. She has now become immortal in our hearts. And her parents were in deep distress, so sorrowful. But to keep this keep their child's memory alive, the parents, Nirja Bhanu's parents, set up a trust, which trust every year gives 2 awards. And 2 awards of rupees 1,50,000 each. One award is given to the airline's crew member all over the world. Airlines crew members all over the world who deal with the difficult circumstances, during difficult situations, if they deal fearlessly, courageously, to those persons given 1 award. And the another award is given to Indian women who fight against social injustice, who fight for the justice of women. So the students, I think you have understood. Third number chapter is now complete. In the next class We will discuss its question answer. Thank you.